You're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting out a skincare video. I'm currently loving the makeup, the look I have on, and then I'm just admiring the glow from the highlighter. Yeah, so you're not here for the makeup. So I'm going to be unboxing some my first set of Ordinary products. You've heard a lot about the Ordinary. As women of color, we have to also understand that there are some things that don't cut across everybody. So it's the fact that it works on a particular skin tone or skin type doesn't mean it's going to work for us. One issue that we really deal with all the time is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH. So what this basically just means is that after having had a burn, pigment. So we need to be careful about the kind of products that we use on our skin, because when we use products with very high concentration, sometimes it leaves us even having worse skin conditions than we started with. Of course, that's why this channel is there, because I want to be able to share the wealth of information that I get from research. I'm not a dermatologist, so I definitely do not know everything about the skin, but I'm taking it upon myself to do a lot of research and then come out with a lot of facts. But today I just want to do an unboxing and then show you. So I don't know if I've been following Dr. Vanita of the Hyperpigmentation Clinic on YouTube, and she's been sharing a wealth of information. She really specializes in women of color. So one of the skincare routines that she talked about was the hyperpigmentation routine for women of color using the Ordinary products. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please ensure you subscribe and click the like button if you like the video so far, so that I know what content to do for you guys. So first is alpha arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid. So just a background, I have a dry skin. I have dry skin. I'm grown older, obviously, things have changed. I'm breaking out, so I need to start taking care of my skin even more, because as we grow older, loss of collagen, loss of elasticity, and then everything begins to obey the law of gravity. But we're going to be defying gravity with the appropriate skincare. So if you want to join me on that journey, please subscribe and stay with me on this channel. So because I'm dealing with some post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, okay, I have foundation on today, but there's some comedones on my skin, and then some of them have left behind some spots. I have some sunspots as well on my skin, and generally because I want to just keep my skin glowing and bright and healthy. I like that it's sealed like this, so it means obviously it hasn't been tampered with. So let's see what is in there. So that's that. I hope you can see that. I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's sometimes difficult to know if you guys can see. So so this is the Ordinary alpha arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid. HA stands for hyaluronic acid. 80 ml, okay. So, and it says it targets hyperpigmentation and dark spots. What it looks like in the box. So you have the bottle. So yeah, so and that is in a frosted glass, okay, and then we have the dropper. The next item I got is the Azelaic acid suspension, 10% from the Ordinary as well. Now azelaic acid also is a tyrosinase inhibitor, so it also helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dullness, and then textural irregularities. So for me, because of course with the dry skin sometimes will come texture on the skin, so apart from the ensuring brightness of the skin tone, I also wanted this so that it could help with the texture on my skin. 30 ml as well. So it has a seal, so I'll just take that off. Okay. So that is what it looks like. What I will be talking about is the retinol. I tried to get Granactive, Granactive retinol is from the Ordinary is less likely to irritate the skin. So like we talked about, or like I was talking about initially, that with skincare, the most important thing is that whatever it is that you need to use, you want to start out slow, and then ensure that you're starting with minimum concentrations first. And when it comes to retinol, one has to be careful, because it's as fantastic as it is, it can lead to irritation. It can actually cause flaking of the skin cells, and some people can't tolerate retinols. And so the recommendation usually is to start out with less irritating formulations. So the Ordinary has the Granactive retinol, and that comes in 0.2, it comes in 2%, 5%, but I couldn't get that anywhere. I couldn't lay my hands on it with retinol 0.5%, but I know that as soon as I see the Granactive, I'm going to still pick that, even if I do finish with this. It's retinol 0.5% in squalene. It also comes in 0.2%. Yes, but yeah, I couldn't find that either. So textural irregularities and signs of aging. And of course, it is fragrance free. What was like very unique for me about this was when I looked at the packaging and I saw refrigerate after opening. I was like, are you serious? I like kept it out for a couple of days before I saw that. So that underscores the need for us to read instructions. Yeah, so it's in a UV protective packaging, because retinol doesn't do well in light. So obviously that's also why you use your retinoids at night. Okay, so you can see it's in this dark bottle, obviously to protect it against sunlight. So I just brought it out of my fridge, so I put it in like this Ziploc bag, okay, so that I can leave it refrigerated. Okay, someone will say I should go and get a skin fridge. You're on your own. No, it's not in this environment. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so the other product that I got was the timeless 20% vitamin C serum with vitamin E. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, so it contains vitamin C, it contains ferulic acid and vitamin E. Now the reason why I went for this was because vitamin C on its own, yes, it's awesome to have like a vitamin C serum as an antioxidant, but the antioxidants usually do better, they do well, they are more potent when they are together. So when you have vitamin C, vitamin E and ferulic acid, which helps to potentiate the effect of vitamin C in formulation, so that it helps also combat the signs of aging, the free radicals. It also helps with hyperpigmentation as well. Dr. Vanita recommended Magnesium Ascorbyl phosphate from the Ordinary, but yeah, I just couldn't get that. So when I do, I'll let you know. The current vitamin C that I'm actually using now is Balance Active Formula Vitamin C. It has been okay, it has worked well, so it wasn't like I had any issues with it. Just the fact that it existed alone in solution. The other good thing I like about this Balance Active, the vitamin C in it comes as a salt, which is sodium ascorbyl phosphate. So this is a more stable form of vitamin C, because the issue that we have with L-ascorbic acid is the fact that it can be easily changed, okay, so which would render it inactive. So that's why the timeless vitamin C serum now comes in this packaging. Well, I don't know when they changed it, but I know it used to come in a bottle packaging. So this is an airless pump. So what it means is that air can go in and oxidize the vitamin C that is inside, and obviously the packaging is also protected as well to ensure that light doesn't go in. So let me just put that on. So it's a very watery, as in you can see that just dropping. It's a very watery serum. So usually this would go on first. Now there was something I discovered just yesterday as part of reading instructions. Even though sometimes when they say, oh, use morning and night, just less sometimes is better. But this one specifically said application: apply 2 to 3 drops to fingertips and smooth evenly onto clean, dry skin nightly. nightly. So we have to bear in mind that this is 20% as lactic did I say lactic acid? This is 20% L-ascorbic acid. That is a high concentration, not like it's too high, but it's a very potent serum. That's what I'm trying to say. So the advice to use it at night is also to ensure its effectiveness, and that, you know, it's not breaking down under light and all that. Evening application recommended. However, for daytime use, apply sunscreen. So if you must use it during the daytime, please use sunscreen. But like I said, do what works for you. Okay, if you've used it, if you normally use it day and night and it works well for you, well, all well and good. All that I got. So I'll be keeping you posted about my results, or any other, if I get any other The Ordinary products. I'm looking to get in. Obviously, I'm sure people are like, you didn't get niacinamide. No, it is out of stock all over the world. I'm just kidding. So I've rambled on for a very long time, so thank you so much for listening to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. Give a thumbs up on this video. I'd love to share my skincare discoveries with you, and more of my research and whatever I find out. As regards my skincare routine with these products, I would also be posting a video about that. So take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.